So the wine I'm drinking today, Cousin Diane, is a dry Sauvignon Blanc. And the reason I like to have more of a dry wine, Instagram just hates me, I think. The reason that I'm into a more dry wine these days is because I feel like it has a little bit lower of an alcohol content. Let me see if that's correct. 12.5. So maybe not, but I think it has less sulfates. I don't know. It just doesn't give me a headache the way that red wine does. So I've got red wine here too. But this is a heavy cab, and if I drank a glass of red wine, you know what it would end up doing to me? I just feel like kind of headachy, and I get like a little sinus stuffiness, and then I have nightmares. So it's not worth it. So I'd rather have some white wine. And because I'm making salmon, I love to pair white wine with salmon. It's also good, you know, it was a beautiful day out today. It was like 70 degrees here in New York, and I'm wearing a t-shirt. I feel like I got a little bit of color today, and white wine is always something that I like to drink, you know, nice and cold when it's summertime. So I feel like summer's coming. So anyway, cheers. Thursday, 6 o'clock. And I'm just going to show you real quick, again, my Brussels sprouts that I roasted up, super easy, cast iron skillet makes everything taste good. Get yourself a cast iron skillet, they're like 30 bucks. And they will literally last longer than you do, which may not be that long. So gotta have something to pass down to our family. And then, it's already started to cook, but I have these beautiful salmon steaks that my friend Sara taught me how to make that have cheese on top. I know, it's crazy. It sounds crazy, but it's actually really delicious. So cheese on top, salt, pepper, olive oil from my friend Danielle, and delicious herbs from my friend Cammy that she grew in her garden. I'm popping this in the oven at 350 for 12 minutes. And honestly, if that salmon doesn't get like nice and crispy and golden brown on the top, I would just pop the broiler on for like maybe 30, 45 seconds until it starts to bubble and get brown on top, because you don't want to overcook the salmon. Nobody likes dry salmon. I mean, maybe you do like dry salmon, but I don't like dry salmon. I also don't like it raw when it has cheese on top of it. It doesn't taste so good, but it's delicious this way. I hope you enjoy Thirsty and Thankful Thursday. I'm so thankful for all of my friends and for all of you. I love you. Stay safe and join me again tomorrow.